Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannada. Now today's article is ionic bonding. The Koijo energy of ionic crystals is of the order of 10 electron volt per atoms, about 2 orders of magnitude, that is 100 times higher than van der Waals crystals. Now the typical examples are alkali halides, alkali metals oxides and sulfides, alkaline earth halides, metal oxides, halides and sulfides, etc. An ionic bond is formed due to an electrostatic attraction between positive and negative ions, which are obtained from the free atoms by the loss or gain of electrons. The attractive interaction energy between two ions charge plus Zd and minus Zd separated by a distance r is given by minus of Z square E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, whereas the repulsive interaction energy when the electron cells begin to overlap is given by the Born-Mayer forms, which is equal to A0 e to the power minus r upon rho. A0 and rho being constant. Therefore, the total net interaction energy between an ions and its nearest neighbor ion of opposite charge is given by the equation phi of r is equal to minus of z square e square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a naught e to the power minus r upon rho. This is total charge. The Koijo energy phi of r of the ionic lattice is obtained by summing this interaction energy over all the ions in the lattice. This procedure assumes that the ions behaves as a hard sphere, which is valid only up to the first order approximation. We will first evaluate the sum of Coulomb potential energies between all pairs of ions in case of sodium chloride crystals. This is a sodium chloride crystals. Now this is cations and this is anions. We will first, as the obvious from figure 3.3, each sodium cation has 6 chlorine ions. The nearest neighbor at a distance is R0. Then 12 sodium cations, the next nearest neighbor at a distance of R0 root 2. Then 8 chlorine anions, the third nearest neighbor at a distance R0 root 3. Then 6 sodium cations, the fourth nearest neighbors at a distance of 2R0, and so on. Hence, the total Coulomb attractive energy per unit pair is thus the sum of an infinite series Z is equal to 1 for sodium and chlorine ions. Therefore, this phi Coulomb energy, which is equal to minus of E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R0 in bracket 6 minus 12 upon root 2 plus 8 upon root 3 minus 6 upon 2 plus so on, which is equal to minus of 1.7476 E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught R naught, which is equal to minus of alpha E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught r naught. The dimensionless constant alpha is known as modeling constant and defined by modeling in 1918. It depends only upon the configuration of ions. For caesium chloride, lattice alpha is equal to 1.763. Zinc blended lattice, it is alpha is equal to 1.638. Fluoride lattice alpha is equal to 1.68, and rutile lattice is alpha is equal to 1.60. It is described to know the generalization of modeling constant to the structure with more than one magnitude of charge, as in TiO2, CaF2, etc.